Hi guys, this is Tim Queen, and today we're going to talk about how to build a content funnel, and I'm going to explain it with an example from my favorite coffee shop. Now, when I first found this store, this was really like a coincidence. I was walking through the city center and suddenly like something came into my nose and I smelled deliciously after roasted coffee, like freshly ground coffee. And I didn't know where this was coming from. It was just like this extremely pleasant smell on my nose. I walked a little bit further down the street and suddenly see the store and it's become stronger and stronger. And I look through the window and I see they have those like beautiful cases of different coffee brands all over the store. And I walked in and this was like an amazing coffee shop. They had like beans from around the world and they could make you your own unique blend and you could taste all the coffee. But what they were doing really smartly is they were using the smell of the coffee as a way to attract you to come in. And this is exactly what you want to do with a content funnel. The smell is basically your content on social media, on your website, and you're using that smell to attract someone to learn more. Obviously, you can't drink the smell. It's making you like thirsty for some coffee and like interested in discovering more about it. By putting it out, they actually made this quite tricky. They had like a special fan where they were blowing the air from the store out to the street. So everyone walking by had to inhale, had to smell like the coffee shop. But this way is like you're finding people who resonate with the smell. Not everyone likes coffee. Not everyone likes this coffee flavor. The ones who walk by and there was a busy street, the ones that like it, they are like, and that would be the same with your coffee, with your content. Those people who resonate with that, they will take the time to walk into the store to learn more. And then once you have them in your store and in our content funnel, that would be someone like exploring other offerings on your website or they're submitting their contact information. You can actually sell them coffee. Or in your case, when you're using a content funnel to promote your business, now you can talk about your products and services. Now, the smell is just like a tool to get people into the door. So the same way you should treat your social media content. All the social media posts, you're trying to get people into the door. You're trying to get them to click on the link in the bio. You're trying to get people to click on this first page on Google, click onto your article, and then to find out like, wait, this is really interesting. They really explain this really well. Maybe they can help me with my specific situation where this might be actually like more complicated than the article might look like. But they're already convinced by the content that you have put out. It's like coherent, consistent, and they understand like, oh yeah, someone seems to be able to solve this small problem. Maybe they can help me with this more complex problem. And this is how you build a contact funnel. You're using social media to drive traffic to your website for additional resources, for additional articles. You're using your articles on your website to drive traffic from Google. And then you're using those articles, you're interlinking with your products and service offerings so people can explore more. And you can put this on your sidebar. You can have pop-ups showing them relevant information depending on like what kind of content you have. And then you take it from there. Either they buy directly or they reach out to you via direct message and ask some questions. And this is how you build a content funnel with coffee. So if you like coffee, let me know in the comments below and leave me a like and a subscribe if you want to see more videos like this.